also, after the Latin American and neighboring countries, we have East Asia. Pacific Asia region is our main trade partner, and we also need to understand Pacific Asia not only as trade, but also as political aspects, cultural aspects, and a diplomacy more in the citizens approach, people to people. So we are trying to diversify our approach to Asia and trying to be closer. Also, that means that every year or every 2 years we have a presidential visit to Asia. We're waiting for President Boric to come here also, to Korea, China, Japan, at least, but also to other countries. And for sure, for 2025, since the APEC summit is hosted in Korea, President Boric will be here.
The relationship between the scientifics and in Antarctica, especially in the area that Chile has the base, that 50 kilometers from there is the Korean base, that it supports very, very much to us and to work together and to investigate regarding to the Antarctic environment. It's quite important because what is the main characteristic of Antarctica? In Antarctica, the difference between the Arctic is a continent, it's land. And the second one is they have the biggest reserving water in fresh water.
Our office connect with a lot of importers. Hey, I have wine. Do you want? Do you want? Do you want? And said, yes, I want. And we make a meeting, a B2B meeting. The meeting could be in the office of the importer or could be in our office. Well, they start making business. We don't participate in the meetings because we are government, and that meeting is between private sector.
With officials, so it's trying to make, for example, the embassy, which is the representation of the country, but through the embassy, make people close to your country.
In a really meaningful size, me and other people just communicating or talking about each other's culture is also one of public diplomacy, and also can be some like a seminars with others or enjoying some cultures like cultural activities you said, but also can be, I think, between friends relationship, it also can be public diplomacy, so, or we can travel to another countries, and it's also one of the public diplomacy.
And the rest of you, well, some people can think which one you prefer, and the rest, we have the other photo song, that's 얼음이. So you feel free to take all the pictures you want.